Hello everyone. Iran strikes back today. Yesterday, Israel attacked Iran on nuclear sites. Today, Iran hits back. Missile barrages hit Israel in retaliation for nuclear site attacks. In dramatic escalation of regional tensions, Iran launched a large-scale missile and drone assault on Israel late Friday night, making it most direct attack on Israel territory in decades. Just after 8:45 p.m., air raid sirens blared across Tel Aviv, Jerusalem, and parts of southern Israel as over 150 ballistic missiles and more than 100 drones were launched by Iran in Operation True Promise 3. The attack came only 24 hours after Israel conducted its own large-scale operation dubbed Operation Rising Lion, in which Israel firefighter jets bombed key Iranian nuclear sites and nuclear scientists. Iran state media reported at least 78 killed and over 300 injured in the Israel airstrike. Israel's Iron Dome and Arrow missile defense system was activated immediately and reportedly intercepted most of the incoming threats. However, several missiles did breach defenses. In Tel Aviv, a residential tower was struck, killing one civilian and injured at least 34 people. In southern Israel, 7 others were injured by debris. Airspace over Jordan and Iraq also saw activity as some Iranian missiles were intercepted or diverted mid-air. Jordan, Lebanon, and Syria closed major airports and restricted airspace, fearing spillover attacks. Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu addressed the nation, declaring, "Iran made a grave mistake. This is just the beginning of our response. We will not allow those who seek our destruction to rise unchallenged." Meanwhile, Iran's supreme leader announced, "This is a legitimate act of self-defense. Any further Israel aggression will be met with greater force. Our patience is not weakness." War is nothing but destruction. Yesterday, Israel struck Iran. Today, in retaliation, Iran struck Israel. Here, only destruction is happening, and oil prices are spiking. Yesterday, it spiked 9%, and today again 6%. Who is winning? Who is losing? We don't know. Where world is going? We don't know. Let's hope for the best, and it ends soon. Thank you, everyone.